Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut audio in Audacity. So let's have a look now. Open Audacity and import the audio track you want to edit. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific section you wish to cut. Once selected, simply press the delete key on your keyboard or go to the edit menu and click cut or press Ctrl X on your keyboard. This action removes the highlighted section from the track. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.